wonderful creative beings and spiritual beings also. Yeah, today I want to speak to you about painting and spirituality, because in fact it's spirituality. It is something that we have in us right from the beginning when we are born and also before we have been born. And this natural spirituality, it is very, very deep inside of us, and its voice, it is very, very soft and tender. And sometimes in our all-day life we are not aware of that voice of spirituality. And what I have experienced is that with creativity, this natural spirituality begins to grow and to develop, and that is such a nice feeling, because everything what we are acting in painting, it's a mirror of our inner state and our path. So and also when we are right in the painting, also it reflects so much to us. And to have the opportunity to just create like with joy and with bliss, it is so wonderful. And that's why sometimes we can really say, hey, today's a great day, I'm happy. Just like that. It's just like a moment. And this moment gets more and more in our life with this natural spirituality. So I wish you, everybody of you, I wish that you get to know your own self and to develop your natural spirituality. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day, my friends. Bye-bye.